beautiful natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new here, happy to have you on board. And for day one people and big up on good to himself. I'm your girl Shauna. Guys, I am super excited. Super excited. But before I tell you all why I'm so excited, remember to like, share, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Don't be afraid to go up the comment section. And remember to turn on your post notification bell and click on all so you won't miss a video. Okay? Guys, my hot. I am so hot. Today is so hot. I just come off the road. I was on the road from about to 1. I was on the road to 1 and now it's after 3. The time really hot. It's hot, guys. And then again, I am in the red blouse. Yeah, the well hot. I am sweating. But anyway, guys, I'm excited because I did a video where I think it was 2 weeks ago or so. 2 weeks ago, I don't remember. I did a video where I told you all that I was making an order on Amazon, and I wasn't gonna tell you what I was ordering. I told you all that it was a surprise. Well, guess what? The surprise is here. Yes, the surprise is here, guys. I'm excited. The reason why I'm excited is because it's something that I wanted so badly, and I wanted it a long time ago, and I finally get the chance to order it, and it's finally here. Yeah, I'm excited about it. But I'm also excited to know, I don't well want to know what is it, but no for the long talking. I'm gonna show you all what I got on Amazon that day. And however, I'm also going to be updating you, giving you all an update on the backyard garden. Yesterday I reaped some corn, and which I'm making soup today with them. Yeah, so, and I'm also going to be showing you what the pop chows looks like. Remember how the pop chows were very small? The pop chows, they have grown, so I'm going to show you all of that, right? So after I unbox what I got from Amazon, I am going to give you the backyard tour. Yeah, backyard garden tour. But before I unbox, guys, what's going on with you? How you been? You know, hope everybody's doing good. Yeah, curfew is to what, 11 o'clock in Jamaica? Yeah, how the 11 o'clock curfew treating you all? If it's much better compared to 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Yeah, I want to know. So go in the comment section and comment and tell me how you guys liking the 11 o'clock curfew, and yeah, I want to know what's going on with you. Now, time for the big surprise, guys. Alright, so this is one package. I'm excited. Who can guess and tell me what is in this? I'm just gonna open it because me will want to see what is inside. Even though I know what inside, but me will want to open it. I'm so hot. Alright, so this is empty. I'm gonna put this away. And let's see what is in here. Oh my god. Guys, this is a tripod. Yes, I ordered a tripod because I wanted a tripod so bad. I wanted a tripod so bad. Oh my god, this one is a flexible tripod where it can bend, you know, into all shapes and all that. Guys, you ever really want something badly and then you finally get a chance to get it? Yeah, you know that feeling? Yeah, that's the feeling that I have right now. I'm even having goosebumps. It's finally here. This is from my phone, so whenever I I'm out on the road, I can vlog, right? Yeah. So you guys are gonna be getting much more vlogs. I don't know how this works. Maybe I have to get my brother to set this up for me, but let me try. Let's see. There's no instruction that comes with it, nothing. So let's see if I can do this. I don't know what I'm doing. I am just screwing and it's okay. We're going somewhere. So I am looking for my phone. Here's my phone. So let's see. I don't know how this thing works. Honestly, I don't know how this works, but I think later on I'll figure it out. I guess I'll have to take out my phone out of the case. Guys, I'm so hot, me I sweat. Oh my god. I don't know, it's not, it doesn't fit. I don't know why it doesn't fit. Oh, I just figured it out. I just figured it out, guys. I figured it out that this part here can stretch. So it doesn't matter how big your phone is. It's for like, I think when I was ordering it, in the description, it says it's for any type of phone, any size phone. Right? Because middle of first say, oh my god, me buy too small and it not go work. Middle of first. So, oh my god. Me excited. Me excited. Guys, I wanted this tripod so long. So freaking long. Oh my god. Woo. I'm excited. I feel like a kid. You know, when it's your birthday or it's Christmas, and you know that you're gonna get a present. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. That's how I feel. So guys, I am testing it out. Even though I can't turn up on the camera, I am also testing it out as well. Yeah, it's finally. Alright guys, so I figured out how to work this. Right? I figured out how to work it now. So I am good to go. Right? So I don't have to go and bother my brother. Right? Maybe I have to go bother and go to maybe set up the other one. Right, but I figured out this one. Yeah. I always wanted this. It's finally here. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing more vlogs on the road. I'm gonna be taking you all on the road with me. Okay? Because my tripod is here. Alright guys, so I'm going to move on to the other things that I have bought. Okay? Who's ready for the next one? This one, the box is a bit big. Not huge, but big. This is the size of the box. I'm excited because I want to see what is inside. Even though I know what it is. Oh my god, guys. It's, oh. Look at this pouch. Look at this pouch, guys. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love this pouch. This is beautiful. So guys, I am going to be showing you the items that comes out of this bag. And if you hear noise outside, some neighbors are next door playing domino, so you may hear a little noise outside. I apologize. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what comes into this black bag here. this tripod, this is like a desktop tripod, so the ring light can goes onto this. So if I'm doing like, excuse me, if I'm doing like makeup, yeah, I can use this, right? So I'll connect the ring light onto this and have it on my desktop and do my makeup, right? And if I'm sitting down at the desk and doing a hair tutorial, I can also use this as well. So this is a desktop tripod as well. um this comes with it. I don't know quite what this is. I guess it's a camera holder to hold the camera, I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do to see what is what, I am going to be reading the manual to see what is this, you know. And I also have another piece that is similar to the one that I just showed you, right? So this piece right here, it is a remote. A remote. What I love about this is that I don't have to be bothering anyone anymore to take pictures, because who know me, yeah, who knows me, they know that I love to take picture, right? So I always bother my mother, my brother them, my brothers to take pictures for me, so I no longer have to be, you know, bothering them, so they are free at last, okay? Yeah. I don't know what this is. It comes with it, but as I tell you all, natural lovers, I'm going to be reading the manual to see and find out what this is and what it is used for. Right? This can adjust. It can get taller, right? This is where the ring light is going to be attached. So I'm going to take out the ring light and set it up so you guys can see. So the ring light is in here. Yeah, the ring light is in here. I'm gonna get the box out of the way. So I'm gonna attach it here. So guys, I am finally that my baby is here. So I'm gonna get a charger bottom and plug it in and see what's going on with it, right? So natural lovers, I got a charging port. Is it port or I said charger bottom? So I'm gonna plug it in and see. So guys, it's on. Yeah, the ring light is on. So this is one color. So I'm gonna change it to another color. So I changed the color, guys. So most of the times I'm gonna be using this color. Girl have used. So I'm gonna change it to a different color, guys. So so yeah, That was a surprise that I got from Amazon, guys. Yeah.
Yes, so guys, these are the growth of the pop show. And remember how them did very small when we transport them, but these are the outcome. Guys, I had to expand the area that me did plant them in before because even slug eat them off. I have to put like slug bait and so. But we soon can start reap pop choy. Um, I even got corn. I got around 3 to 4 corn. I also make soup with them. It's a bit scanty because let me see if not they found this. Oh guys, there's a pumpkin here. You see look a pumpkin guys? We did notice any in our beer. But look a pumpkin. But remember some big corn where they up there so we reap them. So the corn field is a bit scanty. These pop chai we're not gonna get them big like how we would get them when we buy them in the market. Yeah, because the ones that are in the market them fertilize them, so yeah. So we're gonna go back inside guys. So that's the update on the backyard garden.
Natural lovers, that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time, big up on a good, clean self. Bye, guys.